Hi, my name is Michaela Davis. I will be presenting the final semester project for Marketing Principles O2 Virtual College. This is the first semester of the 2018-2019 school year. Company name is ConCon, and we are presenting the Waco Bar. So ConCon's mission statement is providing the conscious consumer some sweet choices. Always organic, fair trade, and local, so you have peace of mind in your piece of chocolate. Our primary target market for this bar is going to be individuals around the age of 25 to 30. So essentially, we are looking for the millennial generation. The income level for this bar is going to be the middle class. So we're looking at 40,000 plus. The geographical location that this bar will be rolled out in is going to be the Madison and Milwaukee area, and our target audience really is going to have a health and environment conscious lifestyle. These people are living in urban or suburban areas. They are active in their community. Oftentimes they have dietary restrictions, whether by choice or for health reasons. We do offer bars that are vegan and vegetarian. These people are going to be globally aware, and they're tending to be of liberal mindset. So the product details for the Waco bar, the main ingredients are going to be chocolate. This is the coating for the bar. So this is going to be sugar, cocoa butter, cocoa, coconut milk powder, which makes this bar a vegan bar, cocoa liqueur. This chocolate coating is covering a wafer cream cookie. Those cookies include sugar, vegetable oil, wheat flour, cornstarch, salt, and vanilla. These bars come in at a 2.0 ounce bar, so it is quite a hefty bar. You're definitely getting the value that you're paying for. And of course, all of these ingredients listed are organic, fair trade, and if possible, locally sourced. So the price of this bar for ConCon to produce is going to come in at $1.20. The wholesale cost to our retailer is $1.90 per bar. So ConCon's going to profit 70 cents per bar, right around 36.8% profit margin. The suggested retailer price is $2.49. So with that, retailers can do what they would like. But if they're using that $2.49 price point, the retailer profit is going to be right around 59 cents per bar with a 23.7% profit margin. Now, our competition for the ConCon bar is going to be a Kit Kat bar and an Ocho bar. Very similar ingredients. The Kit Kat has sugar, wheat flour, non-fat milk, cocoa butter, chocolate, palm kernel oil, and milk fat. The price for a Kit Kat bar is $1.48 for a 1.5 ounce bar. So that's going to run them, 99 cents per ounce or so. Whereas a Waco bar is $1.25 per ounce. So you're definitely paying more for a Waco bar. The locations that Kit Kats roll out, they're in Target, Walmart, convenience stores, drug stores. You can pretty much get a Kit Kat anywhere. The differences and really what that $1.25 is giving you in comparison to a Kit Kat bar is that your ingredients are organic, fair trade, non-GMO, and of course, when locally sourced, we'll get them locally. The Ocho bar, again, very similar ingredients: sugar, cocoa butter, whole milk powder, cocoa liqueur, chocolate liqueur rather, and vanilla. Those ingredients are all organic. So the price for the Ocho bar is $1.99 for a 1.5 ounce bar. That's $1.33 per ounce, whereas the ConCon is $1.25. You can actually get Ocho bars in Target, Walgreens, and Whole Foods. The difference there is that ConCon is giving you the Waco bar, which is a wafer bar and not a soft center bar. Of course, we have some locally sourced ingredients, and we're certified fair trade. So you're getting better ingredients for a lower price. So we are rolling out, as mentioned, in Madison and Milwaukee. Willie Street Co-op, both north and east locations, are in really urban areas of Madison, so we are able to reach the urban audience. These are both north and east are really accessible near the Capitol and easily accessible from the highway. We're catering to both students and professionals in this location. And of course, as a co-op, they've got health-conscious food options. Now, Outpost Natural Foods is a Milwaukee suburb with a really urban feel. The average income here is right around $60,000, so kind of on the higher end of the middle class range. On kind of the opposite end of that spectrum, Outpost Natural Foods is near campus, so we'll also be reaching students, and it's near outdoor activities, hiking, biking, trails along the lake. Of course, there's health-conscious food options at a natural food store. And actually, this neighborhood that Outpost Natural Foods is located in is rated number 4 best suburb to live in Wisconsin. So we've got a really great area here. Now, the SWOT analysis gives a really good in-depth look into where we are heading and what we've already got established strongly. Starting with our strengths, the Waco Bar is an innovative product. It's a candy bar that's environmentally and globally conscious. We're using local ingredients, and that means we have strong relationships to support local businesses, which is what we're all about. These suppliers are reliable and provide quality ingredients that meet ConCon standards at an affordable price, as transporting goods elsewhere increases their cost. Now, of course, we have weaknesses. As a new company and rolling out in only 2 Wisconsin cities, there's an untapped market being missed in neighboring larger cities such as Minneapolis and Chicago, so we are looking to expand and grow as we become more established. And as a new company, there's still a lack of marketing experience. Further learning how to market the product and our target market needs continual work and improvement as it's early days. And we've got some really great opportunities in the candy bar industry. This link here gives a really great in-depth example of how dessert can be used as an ingredient in a chocolate bar. So this could be used within ConCon to create new innovative flavors, textures, or candy bars altogether. One example that it gave was using tiramisu as either a flavoring to your bar, a filling, giving that really rich texture and coffee flavor. And then, of course, there is a serious lack of competition in the organic candy bar industry. While there are organic candies and organic chocolate bars, there are very few candy bars that replicate the commonly enjoyed candy bars like Snickers, Milky Way, Kit Kat, Butterfinger. So it's really easy to take these bars and adapt them with our ingredients. And there are threats, of course. Established candy companies like Mars and Nestle could very easily start catering to the conscious consumer by providing organic options of the same loved candy bars at a small price increase. Because they're such large organizations, they can really easily obtain organic ingredients at a low cost because they're buying in such bulk, and just hike the price of their bar a little bit and market it as organic, making that a lot more appealing than a more expensive bar that would be made locally. And kind of the caveat to a lack of organic candy bars, there's also a lack of competitors. So with so few competitors, price wars are a threat to new companies entering the industry. And the slogan for ConCon is indulgence without compromise. So really this is alluding to a delicious candy bar that you can enjoy without having to give up your morals for conscious ingredients. Whether you're concerned about the humans that are providing and working for those ingredients, the animals that those ingredients come from, the environmental impact that our processes and packaging have, all of that is taken care of. That's what we worry about so that you can relax and enjoy your treat. And then, of course, the reveal of our candy bar packaging. We've got kind of a retro feel. You can see the organic and fair trade seal. We've got our size of the bar in the bottom left and the slogan in the bottom right. Thank you, and I hope you get to enjoy a Waco bar soon.